2013 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, Uconnect hands-free group, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.